I figured I'd do a little quick video here on a Van Norman 900S boring bore. Watched a few of you guys do little videos and watching the setups, and I think somebody might need to help clarify what some people are doing here. What you want to do is drop the bore down. So I don't know if you can see it with the light here. See a little cat's paw right there? Get the light setting right here. That's the cat's paw, right there. And what you want to do is have that flush with the top of the block. You bring it, this knob right here, to make sure this release lever is released. And you want to turn it. And give it a light snug, not super tight, but a good snug. And then you look at the cylinders and make sure all 4 cat's paws are touching all the way around the cylinder. And it's again flush with the top. And then what it was always explained to me to do, which I've found over the years is works the best, grab the back of the bar here and just give it a little wiggle. You can see everything kind of moving. And then give it a final snug. Give it a light wiggle again. And then tighten your clamp back here. And now the clamp is good and tight. You can give the bar a little wiggle again just to make sure it doesn't move. Then release here. So the cat's paw is no longer touching. And bring the bar up. Then grab your first cutter, which I have mine preset. And the first cut I always do, I mic out the bore, and the first cut I'll do is 2 to 3 thousandths bigger than what the bore currently is. And 2 reasons for that. Let me bring the bar down first. You can see the cutter kit, and I just stop it just above the cylinder. And you can always give this right up here a light turn clockwise just to make sure you're not hitting anything. And now that you know that you're set, turn the machine on. Make sure the cap paws are retracted right here some, so nothing hits. Engage. And let the cutter drop by itself. And you see how it's hitting, and you can hear it hitting all the way around. That way you know you're centered in the bore. Okay, now as you can see the cat's paws, I'll try and get in here close enough, just below the bore. Now, what you want to do is take the outside handle, and just turn it, so it just touches, almost no pressure. Then lock the lever back here, turn the inside knob, 1, 2, roughly 3 clicks, sometimes 4. And let it finish doing its work. Once it makes a full pass, I'll bring you back and show you how to release it and bring the bar back up. Okay, now we're at the bottom of the board, machine is shut off. You come back over here, you flip this release lever up. Then loosen the knob, which should not be much pressure on it, to bring the feet back in. Then what I like to do is, if you look at the top here, you can see there's a cutout. I'll rotate it around out of habit to where it's pointing directly towards me before I bring it up, because that should be in line where the boring cutter is. Pull it over, then whoop, right back up. All the way up to the top, and there's your cutter. And you can grab your tool. Hopefully I can still do this one-handed. Pop it out. Then you're ready for your next cut. I have 3 tools that I've laid out. So first set, second cut, final cut. Just my procedure. And you do it over again. Put the next cutter tip in. Make sure it's fully seated. I always give it a little wiggle. Bring it back down to where it's almost touching the deck again. Give it a little spin. Just make sure I don't hit nothing. Turn the machine back on. And then we're going for the second cut. And that's it. Hopefully this helps somebody if they had a little question.